How does light provide non-invasive diagnosis of cancer? Is it possible? We spoke with Dr. Chad Lieber, a scientist at Children's Hospital of Orange County in the CHOC Research Institute. His research at CHOC involves the development of remarkable, non-invasive diagnostic methods based on light and optical phenomena. Dr. Lieber explains his unique approach.
So there's nothing special about the light. What's special is what happens after the light interacts with tissue. A lot of things happen when light hits the tissue, and we're taking advantage of a lot of these things to enable us to characterize tissue, both the tissue of interest, whether this weird lesion on your body is cancer or non-cancer, as well as characterizing what's happening to the rest of your body. So that's important for adults, because skin cancer represents more cancers than all the rest. Kids generally don't have many skin cancers, and the other cancers that kids have, they're not the same as what adults have. So, you know, adults generally, skin cancers, breast, prostate, things where you can get to them pretty easily. Whereas with kids, it's lymphoma and leukemia, so blood and lymph diseases, and central nervous system tumors. So now the whole idea of just shining light on your skin isn't quite as romantic, because those tumors are inside the kids. So that's where what we're doing is a little bit different in that we're taking advantage of how your body changes as a result of having cancerous cells inside. Ultimately, what we would like is that one day in the future you can walk into Walgreens and put your arm under, get your blood pressure checked, and then put your arm under another scanner, and it'll just shine light on your skin and say, you have an 85% chance of cancer, go see your doctor. What we're actually doing is trying to look at changes in your skin, because that's the easiest place to shine light and collect light. So looking at changes in your skin in response to having cancer. And what we're seeing is we shine light on there. We use some sophisticated technology to collect what comes back. And there are things that our eyes can't detect. The things that our eyes detect are noise, so we have to get rid of that optically and look at all these quantum mechanical things that happen to the light, and then we're using those to build kind of an optical fingerprint. So where different molecules have unique optical features, and then essentially we say, is this the fingerprint of skin that has been associated with cancer, or is this the fingerprint of somebody who's never had cancer? Some of the work that we're doing here, as well as some other groups working around the world, we're just now starting to see that there is something going on and we can detect it optically. So now is the progression of, all right, now let's ramp it up and really see what all we can do. Things like does this change in your body go away when your cancer goes away? We don't know. Some of our research shows that it may be like a tattoo, that once you have cancer, you're always branded by this change in every cell in your body. Other things that doesn't matter if you have a different cancer. You know, for a child, if you have a neuroblastoma versus a Wilms tumor, does your skin change in a unique way that's respective to those? Those are all the questions that we're exploring right now. This whole idea of detecting cancer or detecting the changes in your body, this field cancerization, that's, I think, just the start of what we're going to see.